So today we have this sewing machine. It's in the color blue and it comes with a little editing kit to cut the little pieces of fabric if needed and a little pouch to be able to put those supplies in. So let's go ahead and try it out. So out of the box you get here a nice sewing machine. Has purple, some blue as you can see. And here you can adjust what kind of stitches you want. The on and off button, a little LED light connecting to the where it turns on. And you get a nice little kit here. It comes with scissors, extra needles, extra string, more string, thicker than string, and a measuring tape, which is pretty convenient for measuring clothes. And you have the pedal itself to make it start and stop. And here you have the connection cord. And they do give you more extra little pins to pin down things. And they give you some little fabric here as well because of the few extra pieces and cute designs on it. And then also inside I felt something, and they also give you like a zipper to make a little pouch out of. So maybe this is like beginner pouch that it comes with to make. And you also do get an extra instruction manual. So yeah, let's go ahead and try it out. So here I have it plugged in and turned on. I am gonna get a little piece of fabric here, and the string on this side. Let me show you guys this side real quick. Here's a amount of string it has, and of course it comes with many extra other strings. And you need to make sure there's actually a piece of string going through the needle before using it. So let's go ahead and do that first. So here's stitch number 12 and here's stitch number 1. As you can see, they're pretty secure. They show up really well underneath the fabric. And overall, I'm very good at stitching. And this is what the LED lights look on the sewing machine. They add a lot more extra light if you cannot see, and they go around the whole this part of the sewing machine.